Nice Wanjeri kana Mukami wa Ithaga Riene ni akorwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria na gũkorwo akĩrekereria ndeto cia magegania mũno, ndeto iria ciacoka gũkũngũĩrwo na njĩra nene mũno ni her fans makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kũmũ-congratulate o hamwe mena mwendwa wake. Na Nice Wanjeri has revealed that she and her bae Letting are expecting a baby. Their second baby is on the way. Na Nice Wanjeri agĩkorwo agĩshare ndeto ici akiuga they are expecting a visitor. Agĩshare akiuga allow us to share good news with you. We are expecting a visitor. We share this news with our hearts so full and we ask that you help us celebrate. Na agĩkorwo agĩshare mbica ici revealing her baby bump akiuga nĩma they are expecting a visitor. Na of course ni ndeto ciakenererwo mũno ni mafans ao, aingĩ mũno makĩyumĩria kuga atĩ they are suspecting she was pregnant judging on how she had been taking photos lately, atĩ nĩarakoretwo akĩhũra mbica ageretie kũhitha her belly but maragĩkorwo magĩsuspect atĩ she could be pregnant. Na finally she has confirmed and also revealed atĩ nĩma she is indeed pregnant. Na magĩkorwo makĩrekereria nginya rwĩmbo a new song as a celebration of this wonderful news and also a dedication to their baby whom they are expecting soon. Na Nice Wanjeri agĩkorwo agĩkũngũĩra na mafans ake arĩa makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kũmũ-congratulate. Lois Ng'ang'a akiuga congratulations mama Natasha, Betty Shiko congratulations, and Shiro wow I'm so happy for you, congratulations. Onake Winnie Wanjiru I'm happy for you now, this is what we were waiting for. Nake Princess Emmy akiuga I knew it vile ulikuwa unajificha ficha. Onake Lynn Gathaiya the face somehow betray you, congratulations sana. Na maikenderera ndeto ici Nice Wanjeri agĩkorwo akiumbũra atĩ she is expecting a baby mena mwendwa wake Letting. Na all the best to them, congratulations to the two.